In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Instagram account. So Instagram has recently changed the process for this a bit, so if the other tutorials haven't worked for you, this one should, so keep on watching. So first of all, you'll have to open your Instagram app, so let me do that, and then you'll want to click on your account in the bottom right corner, and then you want to click in the top right corner. Then you're going to want to click on settings, and then on help, and then you're going to want to click on help center. And from here, you're going to click on the three stripes in the top right again. And then you will click on manage your account. And then click on delete your account right here. And then here you will have different options. You can either deactivate your account, which is temporary, or you can delete your account, which is permanently. So if you want to do that, go ahead here. And previously there was an option to click delete your account, but unfortunately they removed it. And so if that's the case for you, follow the next steps. So first of all, exit your Instagram app. So then you're going to want to open your preferred browser like Chrome or Firefox. So I'm going to use Firefox, and then you're going to want to enter into the search bar Instagram.com and then click on go. And then let me click on only allow essential cookies, and then you're going to want to click on login. So then you'll have to log in to your account, so let me do that real quick. Okay, so now I've entered my password and my username, and now I gotta click on login. I'm not gonna save that, and click on not now. And then from here you're gonna want to click on your profile again. And then on the settings icon up in the top left corner, and then scroll down all the way and click on help, and then on help center, and then click on the menu in the top right, and then manage your account, and then delete your account, and then delete your Instagram account right here. And then you're gonna want to scroll down, and right here, to request the permanent deletion of your account, you have to click on instagram.com from a mobile browser, and now you can click on delete your account. So let's click on that, and here it does remind you again that you can also temporarily deactivate your account instead of permanently deleting it, but we're going to permanently delete it, so let's click right here, and we're gonna have to choose a reason. So let me just choose something else, and then you're gonna have to enter your password again. So I just entered my password, and it does tell me that my profile will be deleted on November 14th, which is exactly a month from now. Between now and then, it will be set to invisible on Instagram, so people won't be able to find it, but you can still log back into your account and prevent it from getting deleted if you change your mind. So now let me click on delete right here. And then it will ask you if you're sure, so let me click on OK, and there we go. So now we're done with that, and it will be deleted on the specified date. I hope this video was helpful. If that's the case, please give this video a like and comment down below. I'll see you again next time. Bye!